Let's just talk about the vaxxed and the unvaxxed. The same amount of harm and disease that can be created by the spike proteins that your own body is going to create as a result of the vaccines, and those antibodies and the spike proteins you will shed onto others, because that is supposedly how these shots have been designed. The actual spike protein and the virus associated with SARS-CoV-2 and these mRNA shots and transgene shots of Johnson & Johnson, they all start disease processes of harm through a chemical reaction called oxidative stress. And I have actually compiled a list of 4 natural substances that are proven to be antioxidants that actually protect all cells in the body as much as possible against the oxidative stress disease-causing effects of SARS-CoV-2, other common cold viruses like coronaviruses, spike proteins, poisons. There are poisonous chemicals in these shots, like polyethylene glycol. That's a substrate of antifreeze. I don't know why anybody needs antifreeze injected in their body. And then polysorbate 80s in the Johnson & Johnson shot. This has been proven to punch holes in the blood-brain barrier to get the ingredients in the shots to get into your brain to cause neurological damage. That's the only reason polysorbate 80 is in any vaccines of any kind. And it's in a whole bunch of childhood vaccines too. So these chemicals need to be drawn out of the body for those who've actually gotten the shot. So there's actually what I call the disease prevention cocktail. It's on my site at the resources page. I'm not treating any diseases. I'm just telling you, oxidative stress is the actual first thing that causes trauma to a cell of any organ in your body that then leads to diseases of all kinds. The spike proteins, SARS-CoV-2, they cause oxidative stress. Poisons cause oxidative stress. 4 things: vitamin C at 5,000 milligrams minimum, magnesium at 500 milligrams minimum, selenium at 200 micrograms minimum every day, and then apple pectin powder at 700 milligrams twice a day. These 4 nutrients are a part of what I call the disease prevention cocktail. It is my efforts as a chiropractor, acupuncturist, nutritionist, with my skills and clinical knowledge and research for the last 20 years, what I could offer at best